This 2021 Holiday Rambler Nautica 34RX is a diesel pusher RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Holiday Rambler is 35 feet 4 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Metropolis Decor, amber cabinetry interior, sleep 7, stove top burner, slideout, TV, auxiliary battery, skylight, leveling jacks, external shower, self-contained, awning, air conditioning, and 100 gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this diesel pusher features front dinette, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2021 Holiday Rambler Nautica 34RX is built on a Freightliner XCR chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.